Hello, pioneers and entrepreneurs. My name is Bimal Shah, and I'm here to help you achieve your 3 year goal in 1 year and make you a pioneer. My mission is to make pioneers throughout the world. And that's why I'm launching this whole pioneer series, and I'm on to book number 7 now. So, this book talks about the weekly sprint. And I'm so excited to continue this whole series. There's about 13 books in the series. Each book is about 4 weeks, and each book helps you accomplish a new milestone, take you to the next level, and help you accomplish the 3 year goal in 1 year. In last book, you were talking about the 90-day leaps, and this book talks about how to accomplish running every week and accomplishing all the execution, filling in the biggest gap that exists between knowing what you need to do and getting it done. So that's what the optimal weekly sprint is all about. So in this book, the first thing is, this whole book is a whole series. So no matter what you read, whether you read one paragraph or one book, or you read one chapter, you will meaningfully transform your life and your business. That's a guarantee. You will see the transformation. It comes with the video training. It comes with lots of tools and resources. And you also get to join the club that meets every Wednesday, where we meet and collaborate and work together to resolve your biggest challenge in 30 days and help you build a 30-day action plan. So this book has 4 key things. One, it talks about how you have demons inside of you. Yes, we have demons in business, and they all look great and pretty on the outside, but they're demonic on the inside. So they're talk about 5 demons and how you can get rid of them and eliminate them, so you can run effectively and optimally every week. The second is, we talk about how you can get to warp speed. It's very, very important in business that you function fast but effectively. You don't want to do things that are haphazard when you're doing it in rush. You want it to be fast and you want it to be effective. So I talk about how to go from snail speed to warp speed very effectively. And it also involves, building the essential destruction. There's a lot of things that you need to kill. There's a lot of things you need to destroy in business that stand in the way, and also that are harming you in your progress. So I talk about how to essentially, lead to destruction that actually builds for you. And the last is how to make you a guy and a gal who gets things done. So, you as an entrepreneur, how to make you a habitual finisher. So how do you become that naturally competent guy or gal that, gets it done? So that's my mission with you, to help you make you a pioneer, and hope you enjoy this book series. Book number 7. See you there, and see you in this journey, and make you a pioneer.